buying a home can be a complex and lengthy process. It's a lot to take in for a first-timer. Fortunately, you're not alone. There are many professionals to help you along the home buying process. Let's take a look at who these key players are. Your loan officer will break down all the various loan options available to you and work with you to find a comfortable price range. Your loan officer can give you a pre-approval letter to show to sellers, which will help to show that your offers should be taken seriously. Your real estate agent will be your guide during the entire home shopping, negotiating, and purchasing process. A great real estate agent understands what you're looking for. They'll know all the homes available that will fit your needs and budget. They'll craft the right offer for your dream home and stick around to schedule inspections and repairs. Your home inspector is trained and certified to assess the overall condition of the property you're looking to buy. They'll give you a detailed home inspection report that you can go through with your real estate agent. Your appraiser carefully weighs a number of factors to determine the official market value of the home. If it's different from the sales price, additional negotiations may need to occur. You may already know your insurance agent. Contact your insurance agent to ask about homeowners insurance, which you'll need before your loan can close. Rounding out your team are your title and escrow officers. A title officer ensures there are no discrepancies related to the title and deed of the home. The escrow officer holds onto your money and checks and finalizes documentation before funds for the sale are transferred. These two keep the process running smoothly up until the finish line. By better understanding each of their roles, you'll gain greater insights about the home buying process. All these skilled professionals work together on your behalf to get you into your dream home. Contact New American Funding today and let's get started.